How to sign up with phone number. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Quick Guide. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how to sign up with phone number on Bumble app. To get started, let's open Bumble app. Make sure your Bumble app is installed on your mobile device. Now either you can continue with Apple ID or you can continue with Facebook. For now, we are here to sign up with phone number. So click on use cell phone number. Now enter your phone number and click on this. You'll get the code. Now enter the code. So here you go. In this way you can sign up with your phone number on Bumble. So that wraps for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.